How to add voiceover in Canva per slide. So if you want to add voiceover in Canva per slide, then first you need to open up your browser. Make sure that you have an internet connection. After opening your browser, you need to go with Canva. On your Canva, just simply go with a design, an existing design, or go with a new design. So after opening your slides, now if you want to add a voiceover, then you just need simply go with the left side of your screen where you will have the uploads section. Click on uploads, and from the uploads, you will have record yourself section. So you need to click on record yourself, and from here you can go with record, which is on the bottom, and it will start the recording. So in my case, I'm using OBS Studio, so that's why I'm not being able to use my microphone or my camera, but you can just simply go with record, which is on the bottom, and you'll be able to record the voice and add that voice to your slides. So that's how you can add a voiceover in your Canva per slide. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.